How to create a GIF animation in Photoshop. First, open your Photoshop, go to File and select New Document. Okay, in New Document, I want to go to the Illustrator, Art and Illustration. I can select a 19201080. Just I want to create a click button. Okay, after that I can create a click button. My window is open. After that I can open a log and just click OK. After that again I can go to the file menu and click open. Okay, after that I can go to the downloads and I can select this image. Okay, this is the walk cycle reference image. Okay, just this image I can select a move tool. I can drag and drop in Untitled 1. Okay, after Untitled 1 I want to drag exactly center. Okay, just click here. We can select, sorry, yeah, this side we can select. After that we can select, go to view and select a rulers. Okay, then I can select move tool and I want to drag rulers like this. We can do, yes, we can adjustment these layers. Okay, after that what we can do, first select layer 0. After that I can select a lasso tool. Okay, I can select first pose. Yes, after select a first pose you can go to the layer new and select layer via cut. Yes, then the image it is coming in different layer. Okay, after that again I can select a layer 1. I can select a lasso tool and I can select this second image, second pose. After that again I can select Ctrl Shift J, that is called a layer via cut. Okay, just I can close the first layer to I symbol. After that I can select layer 3 and select a move tool and select the move object in the ruler's middle. Okay, same process you can use all layers, all images. Again we can go to the layer 1, select lasso. Yes, again Ctrl Shift J, again close the layer 3 I symbol. Again I can select the layer 4. After that I can select the move tool. Yes, again we can move the object in rulers. Okay, again I can select layer 1. I can move little bit like this. Okay, yes, after that again I can select the lasso tool. Again I can select the fourth pose. Yes, after that Ctrl Shift J, you can press Ctrl Shift J. After that you can close the layer 4 symbol and select the layer 5. Select a move tool and move the image in rulers in between. Okay, next again you can close the I symbol. Again you can select the layer 1. Yes, after that you can select a lasso tool and we can select like this. Again I can press Ctrl Shift J. Again select a move tool. I can move the object here. Yes, yeah. Next again close layer 6, sorry, layer 6 I symbol, close. Again I can select a layer 1. We can move like here. Again select a lasso tool, select this pose and Ctrl Shift J and select the move tool and we can move this object here. Yes, next again I can close the I symbol. Again I can select a layer 1 and I can select a lasso tool. Yes, Control Shift J and select a move tool, and we can move the object in between the rulers. Okay. Yes, again I can close the layer 8 eye symbol. Just I can select the layer 1 and I can move the object here. Okay. Yes. After that, I can close this eye symbol. I can go to the layer 2. Same pose I want to copy. Just go to the layer and select layer via copy. The layer to copy I can bring to down. Okay. Yes. Now we can go to the windows and we can select the timeline. When we can select the timeline, the time it is coming in timeline, two options it is there. One is create video timeline and second is the create frame animation. Just we can select the create frame animation and double click here. When we can double click, that time here create one new layer. Okay. After that we can select the first layer to eye symbol you can open. Okay. Next, select a duplicate layer. Okay, duplicate selected frames. After that you can close this layer 2 eye symbol and open the layer 3 eye. Again we can select the duplicate layer symbol, again close this layer 3 and open. Again click plus, yes. Again I can click, same process you can do all layers. Okay. Yes. Now we can play and we can see. Yes. This time we can do the animation in Photoshop. After animation, how to save the file? Just go to the file and select export option. In export option, you can select the save for web legacy. Just click the save for web legacy. In save for web legacy, here lot of options it is showing. GIF, JPG, PNG, PNG24 and WBMP. Just I want to select the GIF animation. When I can select the GIF animation, after that I can save the file. Okay. Yes. Here we can create one folder. Just I want to save the GIF animation. Okay. Yes. After that, which format you want? I want select HTML and image format. I can save the video. Save the GIF animation. Okay. This type we can do in GIF animation in Photoshop.